Hey guys, welcome to Module 3. In this module, I'm going to share with you my profitable REIT investment strategy that I strongly believe can help you find a profitable REIT to invest in. This module is very important, so make sure you don't skip any lessons. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about some key factors that will determine your investment success. The key to becoming successful as a REIT investor is that you need to be able to determine which REIT is suitable to add to your investment portfolio. As we've learned, there are 6 different types of REITs, and each type of REIT has a different nature and different characteristics. And your job is to find out what REIT is worth investing in so that you can build your income stream effectively. So, the question is, how do you know which REIT is worth investing in? There are 2 things that you'll need to take into consideration when choosing a REIT to invest in. The first thing is the economy. As you've learned, the performance of REIT companies are highly affected by the economy, and you should make your investment decisions based on the current state of the economy where your REIT company's properties are located. That is to say, for example, you should consider investing in REITs, such as retail and healthcare REITs, when the economy is going down, in order to rotate your investments and re-diversify your investment portfolio. On the other hand, if you're holding any residential REITs, for example, you should consider selling them to buy another REIT which is less affected by the economic recession. In general, you have to make sure that the REIT that you're holding or looking to invest in will not be significantly affected by its local economy. Some REITs, such as hotel REITs, are highly affected by many seasonal factors. Therefore, the next thing you should care about is the seasonal factors in areas where your REIT company's properties are located. After you take these 2 things into consideration, you can follow some REIT selection criteria that I'm going to provide you in this module to pick well-performing REITs to invest in. We'll focus on investing in REITs which are fundamentally strong so that we can create a good stream of passive income from our investments. And as an investor, you'll always have to be conservative with your investment decisions, and you should only buy a REIT when it meets our investment criteria. Okay, now let's begin with our first REIT picking criterion.